Henry Ford dreamed of building a car for everyone. He envisioned a world where the automobile was not just a luxury for the wealthy, but a practical means of transportation for the average person. This dream was rooted in his belief that mobility could transform lives, providing freedom and opportunities previously unimaginable. In 1903, he founded the Ford Motor Company in Detroit, Michigan. This was a bold move at a time when the automobile industry was still in its infancy. Detroit, with its burgeoning industrial scene, was the perfect place for Ford to bring his vision to life. The city would soon become synonymous with automotive innovation. Ford was determined to make automobiles affordable for the masses. He believed that by streamlining production and reducing costs, he could produce a car that was both high quality and affordable. This led to the creation of the Model T, a car that would revolutionize the industry. His vision was simple: create a reliable car at a price everyone could afford. The Model T, introduced in 1908, was the embodiment of this vision. It was durable, easy to maintain, and most importantly, affordable. The Model T quickly became a symbol of American ingenuity and practicality. This vision would transform transportation and shape the American century. The widespread adoption of the automobile changed the way people lived and worked, making it possible to travel greater distances with ease. It also spurred the growth of related industries, from oil and steel to road construction and suburban development. Ford's early years were marked by experimentation. He was constantly seeking new ways to improve his designs and manufacturing processes. This relentless pursuit of innovation was a hallmark of his career and set the stage for the breakthroughs that would follow. He sought the most efficient ways to build cars. Ford's introduction of the moving assembly line in 1913 was a game changer. This innovation drastically reduced the time it took to build a car, making it possible to produce more vehicles at a lower cost. The assembly line became a model for manufacturing industries worldwide. His team tested different designs and manufacturing techniques. They were not afraid to experiment and learn from their mistakes. This iterative process of design, test, and refine was crucial to the development of the Model T and other successful Ford vehicles. These early efforts laid the groundwork for Ford's future success. The lessons learned during these formative years were invaluable, providing the foundation for the company's growth and dominance in the automotive industry. The company's relentless pursuit of efficiency would become legendary. Ford's innovations in production not only revolutionized the automobile industry, but also had a profound impact on manufacturing practices across various sectors. His legacy of efficiency and innovation continues to influence industries around the world today. In 1908, Ford introduced the Model T. This car would change everything. The Model T was simple, durable, and easy to maintain. It was also mass-produced, which made it affordable. The Model T quickly became a symbol of American ingenuity and progress. People lined up to buy this revolutionary automobile. Ford's commitment to affordability was groundbreaking. He lowered the Model T's price year after year. This made car ownership a reality for millions. The Model T's popularity soared, and Ford sold millions of units. It was a true automotive revolution. Henry Ford's pursuit of efficiency led to another breakthrough, the moving assembly line. This innovation was not just a minor improvement but a revolutionary change that would forever alter the landscape of manufacturing. Ford's vision was to make cars affordable for the average American, and he knew that to achieve this, he needed to find a way to produce them more efficiently. Inspired by a meatpacking plant, Ford adapted this concept for car manufacturing. The idea was simple, yet profound. Instead of workers moving around to assemble a product, the product would move to the workers. This concept was already in use in other industries, but Ford saw its potential for car manufacturing. In 1913, he introduced the moving assembly line in his Highland Park factory. This factory became the birthplace of modern mass production. The moving assembly line allowed for the continuous flow of work, significantly reducing the time it took to build a car. This innovation transformed the auto industry. It wasn't just about making cars faster, it was about making them more accessible to the public. The efficiency of the assembly line meant that cars could be produced at a lower cost, which in turn lowered the price for consumers. The assembly line dramatically sped up production. What once took days to assemble could now be done in a matter of hours. This rapid production was a game changer, allowing Ford to meet the growing demand for automobiles. Workers remained stationary while the cars moved along the line. This method not only increased efficiency, but also reduced the physical strain on workers, as they no longer had to move around the factory floor. Each worker performed a specific task, adding parts to the vehicle. This specialization meant that workers became highly skilled at their specific tasks, further increasing the speed and quality of production. This specialization increased efficiency and reduced production time. By breaking down the assembly process into smaller, manageable tasks, Ford was able to streamline production and minimize errors. The assembly line allowed Ford to build more cars, faster, and at lower cost. This not only revolutionized the automotive industry, but also set the standard for manufacturing processes in various other industries, paving the way for the modern era of mass production. The success of the Model T and the assembly line fueled Ford's growth. The company expanded rapidly, building new factories and employing thousands. Ford's innovative manufacturing processes set new standards for the industry. The company's success made Henry Ford a global icon. Ford continued to innovate throughout the 1920s and 1930s. The company introduced new car models and features. Ford also made significant contributions to wartime production during World War II. This solidified the company's status as an American industrial giant. Ford's impact extended far beyond the automotive industry. Section 5. Navigating Economic Turbulence. The Great Depression of the 1930s presented a major challenge for Ford. Car sales plummeted as the economy struggled. Ford, like other automakers, faced layoffs and reduced production. However, the company weathered the storm and emerged stronger. Ford's resilience was tested again during the oil crises of the 1970s. Rising fuel prices and economic uncertainty impacted car sales. Ford responded by developing more fuel-efficient vehicles. The company also focused on improving quality and efficiency. Ford's ability to adapt helped it navigate these challenging times. Section 6. The Global Expansion of Ford. Ford expanded its operations internationally throughout the 20th century. The company established manufacturing plants and dealerships around the world. Ford vehicles became a familiar sight on roads from Europe to Asia. The company's global reach solidified its status as a multinational giant. Ford's international expansion brought new challenges and opportunities. The company had to adapt its vehicles and marketing strategies to different cultures and markets. Ford's ability to understand and respond to local preferences contributed to its global success. The company's global presence continues to be a key strength. Section 7. Confronting the Challenges of Modernity. The late 20th and early 21st centuries brought new challenges for the auto industry. Increased competition, environmental concerns, and rapid technological advancements forced automakers to adapt. Ford faced these challenges head-on, investing in research and development. Ford has focused on developing electric and hybrid vehicles to address environmental concerns. The company is also investing in autonomous driving technology. Ford recognizes the need to innovate to stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. The company's willingness to embrace new technologies will shape its future. Section 8. Ford's current landscape and strategic vision. Today, Ford remains a major player in the global automotive industry. The company produces a wide range of vehicles, from fuel-efficient cars to powerful trucks. Ford is committed to innovation and is investing heavily in electric and autonomous vehicles. Ford faces intense competition from established automakers and new entrants. The company is also navigating the transition to a more sustainable future. However, Ford's long history of innovation, its strong brand recognition, and its global reach position it well for the challenges ahead. Section 9. A legacy forged in steel and innovation. From its humble beginnings in Detroit, Ford Motor Company has left an indelible mark on the world. Founded in 1903 by Henry Ford and a group of investors, the company started with a simple yet ambitious goal: to build a car for the masses. Detroit, known as the Motor City, became the birthplace of this automotive revolution. The early 20th century was a time of rapid industrial growth, and Ford was at the forefront, setting the stage for a new era in transportation. Henry Ford's vision of a car for everyone revolutionized transportation and shaped modern society. The introduction of the Model T in 1908 was a game-changer. It was affordable, reliable, and easy to maintain, making car ownership accessible to the average American. This democratization of transportation had far-reaching effects, not just in the United States but around the world. It changed the way people lived, worked, and connected with each other. The company's pioneering use of the assembly line transformed manufacturing and influenced countless industries. Introduced in 1913, the moving assembly line reduced the time it took to build a car from more than 12 hours to just about 90 minutes. This innovation not only increased production efficiency, but also lowered costs, allowing Ford to reduce the price of the Model T over time. The assembly line became a cornerstone of modern manufacturing, adopted by industries far beyond automotive. Ford's journey from a small startup to a global giant is a testament to the power of innovation, adaptability, and a relentless focus on the customer. Over the decades, Ford expanded its product line and its reach, establishing a presence in markets around the world. The company's ability to adapt to changing times and consumer needs has been key to its enduring success. From the early days of the Model T to the latest advancements in electric and autonomous vehicles, Ford has consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible. As Ford navigates the evolving landscape of the 21st century, its legacy of ingenuity and progress continues to inspire. The company is at the forefront of the shift towards sustainable and smart mobility solutions. With investments in electric vehicles, autonomous driving technology, and connected car systems, Ford is not just keeping pace with the future, it is helping to shape it. The commitment to innovation that defined its early years remains a driving force today. The company's story is far from over. It is still being written on roads around the world. Every new model, every technological breakthrough, and every expansion into new markets adds a new chapter to the Ford legacy. As the world continues to change, Ford's dedication to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction ensures that it will remain a leader in the automotive industry for generations to come.